I'm Mingo Park, in charge of training for utilization of fumigation equipment and devices in COICA program. In this time, I'm going to present the use of gas mask for worker safety. I'm a team manager of phytosanitary treatment in Pest Control Division in Animal and Plant Quarantine Agency. The contents are as follows: theory on gas concentration, how to wear gas mask, and conclusion. As background on gas masks, we need to know the theory on gas concentration. At first, I'm going to introduce the fumigants that are used in Korea. This slide shows the characteristics of methylbromide. Chemical formula is CH3Br. MB is also called to bromomethane. Molecular weight is 1955. Boiling point is very low, 4 degrees Celsius. Vapor pressure is quite high, 1.8 atm. Combustion factor from gram per cubic meter to ppm is 260. Let me explain later about the combustion factor. Methylbromide is being used for every agricultural product for trade, including wood, fruits, vegetables, and grains. This slide shows the characteristics of ethyl formate as an alternative fumigant of methylbromide. Chemical formula is C3H6O2. The boiling point is quite high, 53 degrees Celsius. Vapor pressure is not very high, and 194 millimeter Hg, and flammable. That's why the ethyl formate is mixed with carbon dioxide to increase vapor pressure for better penetration to the commodity, as well as to reduce the flammability. Combustion factor from gram per cubic meter to ppm is 330. Ethyl formate is mostly being used for fruits, for spin. This slide shows a characteristic of phosphine as a new formulation of aluminum phosphide. Aluminum phosphide would release phosphine after combined water in the air. But this fumigant is the type of liquefied phosphine. Chemical formula is pH3. The molecular weight is 34. The boiling point is minus 87.7 degrees Celsius. Vapor pressure is very high, 41.3 atm. That's why the fumigant is mixed with carbon dioxide to reduce flammability. Combustion factor from a gram per cubic meter to ppm is 730. pH3 is mostly being used for vegetables and nursery products in Korea. This is how converts the gas concentration from gram per cubic meter to ppm. Fumigant is injected into fumigation chamber with gram per cubic meter by weighing it. However, workers' safety is assessed with the ppm of gas concentration. So we have to know the conversion method. According to Avogadro's law, the 1 mole of all gas occupies 22.4 liters. In order to convert from gram per cubic meter to ppm, milliliter per kiloliter, gram of gas should be changed to milliliter. 1 gram of methylbromide is 236 milliliter. By dividing 1 gram of methylbromide by 95 of molecular weight and multiplying by 22.4 liters. Since this 260 milliliters is dispersed in 1 kiloliter, which is 1 cubic meter, it is automatically be 236 ppm, part per million. Or you can use this formula to convert gram per cubic meter to ppm. This is come from the condition of 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atm. If the temperature changed from 1 to 25 degrees Celsius, the concentration will be changed to 260 ppm, according to the formula based on Boyle-Charles law. Finally, on condition of 1 atm and 25 degrees Celsius, 1 gram per cubic meter of methylbromide is converted to 260 ppm, which is the conversion factor of methylbromide. The conversion factors of ethyl formate and the phosphine are calculated by the same process except molecular weight. This one. The molecular weight should be applied as the one of very gaseous one, just like this. Dosage rate of methylbromide on apples is 24 to 64 grams per cubic meter, depending on temperature. During the fumigation, gas concentration should be above from 19 to 48 grams per cubic meter. Final concentration should be above 14 to 38 grams per cubic meter. Ethyl formate on banana should be applied with 35 grams per cubic meter at above 30 degrees Celsius. Phosphine on grain should be applied 1 gram per cubic meter at above 25 degrees Celsius. All fumigants are applied with gram per cubic meter like this. However, TLV, threshold limit value, as worker safety, worker safety is applied with the ppm. This is ppm, milliliter per kiloliter. As I explained, gram per cubic meter is very different from ppm, 26 times in the case of methylbromide. That's why gas detectors for high concentration are different from the detectors for low concentration. These are gas detectors for high concentration as a level of fumigants dosage rate gram per cubic meter, this one. And these are for low concentration as level of workers safety, ppm. The use of gas detector will be explained in another topic. From now on, how to wear gas mask is going to be explained while we are conducting fumigation or surveying the fumigation work. It's the same as gas detector. Gas mask, depending on the working condition of gas concentrations level. This mask is full phase one. This one, the full phase one for working condition of high concentration. The level of this canister is AXB2. AX means for low volume compounds of organic gases, indicated by brown lines. This one's brown. The B means for inorganic gases, indicated by the gray lines. This is a gray line. The two means for high concentration to 5,000 ppm. This can be used for 20 minutes in the concentration of 5,000 ppm. This is another full face mask, but the canister is for low concentration to 500 ppm. The level of canister is A1, B2, B1, E1, K1, HGP. A means for organic gases with brown strip, this one, brown strip, and then B for inorganic gases with gray strip, and the E for sulfur oxide with the yellow strip, and the K for the ammonia with green strip, and the H is HGP3 for mercury with red strip, this one. This mask is half phase one for working condition of low concentration. The level of this canister is OV Cl2 H2S CO2 NH3. OV means for organic gases with brown line, same as the level of A. The Cl2 means for organic gases with green line, the same as the level of B. The others are same as the previous one. The goggle would be very useful for protect eyes when a half face mask is worn. These canisters are also combined to half face mask. They are for high concentration to 5,000 ppm. The level of canister is A2, B2, E2, K2, HGP3. The details are same as the former slides. This slide shows how to wear a gas mask for full face. Before wearing the mask, you should loosen the strap of the mask. Then open the canister. And combine canister to the mask. Tighten the gas mask from the lower strap to the upper strap. Finally, check the leakage by blowing with your mouth while covering the mouth part of the mask. This one shows how to wear gas mask for another full face. This one is useful for ones who wear eyeglasses. Turn on the canister. Tighten the canister around the waist. Then they put the mask on the head. As you see, this one is very useful for the ones who wear eyeglasses. This slide shows how to wear gas mask for half face on the condition of fumigant's high concentration. Combine canister the mask while just a moment, please. Combine canister to mask while align the grooves. This one grooves of gas mask and canister. The tighten tighten the straps on the back of your neck. First, place the mask on your face and place a rubber band on your head and tighten the straps. The final check the leakage by blowing your mouth while covering the mouth part of the mask and wear the goggle. That's it. This slide shows how to wear gas mask for half face on the condition of fumigant low concentration. And the process to wear is the same as the former slide. This canister is for low concentration. They tighten the strap. They tighten the strap again, and then blow with your mouse. They're blocking the mouth part of the gas mask. And then wear eyeglasses, wear the goggle. Okay. This is the conclusion. The theory of gas concentration. Korea use metabromide ethyl-formate phosphine as a fumigant. Fumigant is injected into chamber with gram per cubic meter weighing it. Unit of ppm, milliliter per cubic is used for assessment of workers' safety. Gram per cubic meter is very different from ppm. Combustion factor, the metabromide is 260, the ethyl-formate is 330, phosphine 730. How to wear gas mask? Combine the canister to gas mask at first. Put the gas mask on the face and tighten straps of the mask. Check the leakage by blowing with your mouth while covering the mouth part of gas mask. Gas mask, depending on the condition of gas concentrations level. This is all about use of gas mask. See you next time on another topic. Thank you very much for your attention.